Chapter number 7, Statistics. Question number first. What is the mean and median of the following data? 15, 9, 8, 22, 50, 16 and 20. Given data, that is 15, 9, 8, 22, 50, 16 and last, that is 20. First we find mean. Mean is equal to sum of all numbers divided by total number of observations. That is 15 plus 9 plus 8 plus 22 plus 50 plus 16 plus 20 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mean equal to 20 plus 16, that is equal to 36. 36 plus 50 equal to 50 plus 36 plus 22. That is 6 plus 2, 8, 8 and 10, 108. And 8 plus 7. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 plus 15. That is 8 plus 7, 15 plus 5, 20, 2 carry, 3, 4 and 1. So total sum is equal to 140 divided by 7. That is 20. So mean we get 20 and median. So in case of median, we are arranging in ascending order. Ascending order, that is first smallest number, that is 8, then 9, 15, 16, 20, 22 and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If n is equal to, n means total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is odd, then median equal to n plus 1 upon 2, which implies 7 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 8 upon 2, and that is fourth term. So median equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 answer. And what is the mean and median? So mean and median equal to, mean is 20, comma median is 16 answer. We have given data 15, 9, 8, 22, 50, 16 and 20. Mean is equal to sum of numbers, that is 15 plus 9 plus 8 plus 22 plus 50 plus 16 plus 20. Their sum is equal to 140 and divided by total number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. So 140 divided by 7, then we get mean equal to 20. Mean is 20 and median, first of all, we are arranging in ascending order. Smallest number is 8, then 9, 15, 16, 20, 22 and 50. We are arranging in ascending order. If n is equal to odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. And n is 7 plus 1 upon 2, 8 upon 2. That is fourth term. Fourth term is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number is 16. So median is equal to 16. And what is the mean and median? So mean and median equal to, mean is 20, median is 16. Answer. Question number 2. What is the mean and median of the following data? Given data is 5, 11, 7, 21, 25, 38, 13, 20 and last 40. First we find mean, that is 5 plus 11 plus 7 plus 21 plus 25 plus 38 plus 13 plus 20 plus 40 divided by total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Five plus 11, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 24, 34, 44. 54, 64, 64 plus 5, that is 69, and 69 plus 38 plus 13 plus 20 plus 40, that is equal to 60. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 20. 2 carry, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 6, that is 18. So 180 divided by 9, that is 20. So mean we get 20 and median in ascending order. Smallest number, that is 5 and 7, 11, 13. 11, 13, 20, 21, 25. 20, 21, 25. Then 38, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If n is equal to 9, which is odd number, so median equal to n plus 1 upon 2. That is 9 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2. Fifth number. So median is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. What is the mean and median? So mean and median equal to 20, 20. Mean is 20, median, that is equal to 20. So 20, 20. Answer. It's given data 5, 11, 7, 21, 25, 38, 13, 20 and 40. First of all, we are finding mean and median. First we find mean, that is sum of all numbers. 5 plus 11 plus 7 plus 21 plus 25 plus 38 plus 13 plus 20 plus 40 divided by 9. Their sum equal to 180 and 180 divided by 9, that is equal to 20. So we get mean is equal to 20, and we are arranging in ascending order. First smallest number is 5, then 7, 11, 13, 20, 21, 25, 38 and 40. In case of median, we are arranging ascending order. First of all, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 20, 21, 25, 38 and 40, which is total number is odd, 9. So median is n plus 1 upon 2, and 9 plus 1 upon 2 is 10 upon 2, which is divisible by 2, and fifth term, fifth number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 20. So mean is equal to 20 and median equal to 20. Answer is 20, 20. Question number 3. Find the mean and mode of the following data. Given data, seven, 8, 9, 10, 12, 12 and 12. 3 times 12. First we find mean. Mean is sum of all numbers. 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 36, 46, 46 plus 9 plus 8 equal to 17 plus 7 is 24. 0, 7. Sum is 70 and divided by 7, that is 10. So mean equal to 10. And mode. Mode is number occurring maximum times, that is 12. 12 occurs 3 times, so mode is equal to 12. And mean and mode equal to 10, 12. Answer. Given data is 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 12, 12. Mean is sum of the number, that is 70. And total number is 7. 70 divided by 7, we get mean equal to 10. And mode, the number occurring maximum times, 12. 12 is 1, 2, 3. 3 times, that is maximum time. So mean and mode equal to 10, 12. Answer. Question number 4. What is the median and mode of the following data? Given data is 16, 10, 7, 7, 7, 22, 54, 17 and 21 last. Median and mode. First we find median, and this number is arranging in ascending. First is 7, 7, 7, and then 10, 16, 17, and 21, 22, 54. 1 n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 odd number, so median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 9 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2 fifth. 1 2 3 4 5. We get median equal to 16, and then we find mode. Mode equal to number occurring maximum times, that is 777 7. So median and mode equal to, median is 16, mode is 7. Answer. Given data is 16, 10, 7, 7, 7, 22, 54, 17 and 21. First of all, we are arranging in ascending. Smallest number 7, 7, 7, then 10, 16, 17, 21, 22 and 54. And if n is equal to 9, which is odd number, then median equal to n plus 1 upon 2, that is 9 plus 1 upon 2, 10 upon 2, fifth number. And fifth number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 16. So median equal to 16. And mode 7 is occurring 3 times, maximum times, so mode equal to 7. So 16, 7 answer. Question number 5. During the first semester's marks were given 78, 96, 86, 96, 79, 85, 100, 97, 69 and last 73. What is the median of his marks? We find the median. First of all, ascending order, that is equal to smallest number is 69, then 73 and 78, 79. '85, '86. '96, '96. 97 and lastly 100. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is equal to 10, which is even. In case of even, median equal to n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 term divided by 2, that is equal to 10 upon 2 plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to fifth plus sixth term divided by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number is 85 and sixth number is 86 divided by 2, which implies 171 upon 2. 171 divided by 2, that is 8 2s are 16, 1 1, 8 5s are 2 5s are 10, 1.025 are 10. So we get median equal to 85.5. Answer. Given data, and first of all we are arranging in ascending order, that is 69, 73, 78, 79, 86, 85, 86, 96, 96, 97 and 100. If total number is equal to 10, which is even, so median equal to n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. 10 upon 2 is 5th, and 10 upon 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6th term divided by 2. 5th term is 85 and 6th term is 86. 85 plus 86 upon 2 is 171 upon 2, which is divisible by 2, and we get 85.5. So median equal to 85.5. Answer. Question number 6. What is the sum of median and mean of the data? Given data is 56, 48, 68, 113, 180, 104, 124 last. Median and mean. First of all, we find median, then ascending order. This data is arranging in ascending. Smallest number is 48, 56. 48, 56, then 68 and 104, 113, 124 and lastly 180. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N equal to 7, which is odd number. So median equal to n plus 1 upon 2. That is equal to 7 plus 1 upon 2 is 8 upon 2. 8 upon 2 is 4th term. 1, 2, 3, 4. So median we get 4th number is 104. And then we find mean. Mean equal to sum of number 56 plus 48 plus 68 plus 113 plus 180 plus 104 plus 124 divided by 7. Total number is 7. So 56 plus 48 plus 68 plus 113. First we find 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. Plus 6, 25. 2 carry. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. Plus 1, 18. 1 plus 1, 2. And then we add 180, 104, 124. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry. 8 plus 8, 16, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mean equal to 693 upon 7. 693 divided by 7. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. So which is divisible by 99. Mean equal to 99. And what is the sum of? Sum of median and mean equal to, median is 104 plus mean is 99. 104 and 99, their sum is 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 2. That is equal to 203. Sum of mean and median equal to 203. Answer. Given data 56, 48, 68, 113, 180, 104, 124. We find median, we are arranging ascending. 48, 56, 68, 104, 113, 124 and 180. N is equal to 7, which is odd number. So median is n plus 1 upon 2. That is 7 plus 1 upon 2 is 8 upon 2. Fourth term 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number is 104. That is median. And then we find mean, sum of all numbers divided by 7. Sum equal to 693 divided by 7. Then we get 99. And question, find the sum of median and mean. Median is 104, mean is 99, and their sum is 104 plus 99, that is 203. Answer. Question number 7. What is the difference between the range and the mode of the data given? Given 8, 10, 17, 17, 21, 28 and 58. We find the difference between range and mode. Range equal to highest number minus smallest number. Highest number is 58 and smallest is 8. So 58 minus 8 equal to 50. That is called range. In given data, maximum number is 58 and minimum number is 8, and their difference is called range. That is 58 minus 8 equal to 50. And mode. Mode, the number occurring maximum times, that is only 17 two times. So mode is 70. Difference between range and mode equal to 50 minus 70. 50 minus 17 equal to 33. So difference equal to 33. Answer. Given data is 8, 10, 17, 17, 21, 28 and 58. First we find range. Range is maximum number minus minimum number. 58 minus 8 equal to 50. And mode is number occurring maximum times, that is 17. So mode equal to 17. And difference between range and mode is 50 minus 17. 50 minus 17 equal to 33. Answer. Question number 8. What is the product of mean and median of the data? Given 212, 98, 57, 87, 120, 154 and last 70. The product of mean and median. Mean equal to 212 plus 98 plus 57 plus 87 plus 120 plus 154 plus 70 upon total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 212 plus 98, that is 0, 310 plus 57 plus 87, 14, 9, 10, 15, 454. Then 120, 154 and 70. 8, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 5, 90. 1 carry 2, 3 and 7. That is 798 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9, 7 ones are 7. 28. 7 fours are 28. So mean equal to, we get 114. And median, so ascending. Ascending order. Smallest number is 57, then 70. And 87, 98. 120 and 154. Lastly, 212. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to 7, which is odd number. So median equal to n plus 1 upon 2 equal to 7 plus 1 upon 2. That is 8 upon 2. Fourth term. Fourth number is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equal to, median is 98. Median. Median is 98. And we find the product of mean and median. Product of mean and median, that is 114 into 98. 114 into 98. 8 fours are 32. 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. 9 fours are 36. 3 carry. 9 ones are 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry. 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10. 2, 7, 11, 1, 1. So product equal to 11172. 11,172. Answer. Given data is 212, 98, 57, 87, 120, 154 and 70. Mean equal to sum of number divided by total number is 7. Their sum is 798 divided by 7, that is equal to 114. So mean equal to 114. In case of median, arranging in ascending order, that is 57, 70, 87, 98, 120, 154 and 212. Number is equal to 7, which is odd. So median equal to 7 plus 1 upon 2 is 8 upon 2. 8 upon 2 is fourth. Fourth term, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to 98. Median equal to 98. And according to question, product of median and mean and median, that is 114 and 98, we get 11,171. So their product is 11,172 answer. Thank you so much.